YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. Today I want to do a simple one. I just want to clean and sharpen my knife and then try it out and see if it still works, the most important part of it. This branch is not completely dried out, but I'll bet it'll burn. My knives get particularly dirty with all the fat wood that I process with it, and especially when I use the handle as a top board for the Ferro. Well, I'm not going to be able to do anything about the glare, am I? I've used alcohol also. It takes that and cleans it very well, very quickly. But if all you have access to is this WD-40, it's doing a good job. Matter of fact, I'll go in the house and get some alcohol and we'll see if we can get some of these stubborn areas off of there. Somebody keeps sticking their knife in the fire. Probably not a great idea, but this is a tool and I will use it as a tool as I see fit. I am all out of alcohol, but any product which contains it will work just as well. Oh yeah, it melted it right off of there. Good. Alcohol is much better to clean your knife with than WD-40. And I clean down here at the hilt where it tends to get very dirty. I don't want to spend too much time on the plastic here because it will melt it. Alcohol will definitely melt it. You're just going to have to let the stains and the smudges stay on the knife, unless you don't mind melting the plastic a little bit. Looks like there's some pine sap right here. Now we're ready to sharpen it up. Not perfectly clean. You see there's still stains on this plastic, but that is clean enough for my work knife. Let's sharpen it up. Smith's Diamond Stone. It has a fine and a coarse side, $20 at Walmart. To sharpen that spine up, I drag back 10 times and then I feel for a burr. And I hold that spine at 90 degrees to the stone. And if the stone is a little clogged, I'll clean it out with the underside of my shirt tail. Nope, needs more. Let's go for 20. That's good and sharp now. And the edge, it should not take too much to bring the edge back. I keep the edge close to right, being sharp all the time. And I can tell by the way that edge drags on this stone when it's sharp. I sort of don't even need to feel the edge. Like this side feels right. This side needs a little extra. That is razor sharp. So let's go ahead and see if the knife still works. And start dirtying it up again. This is alcohol. The WD-40 cotton that I put down in there, it's flammable also. Burning with a clear flame. I cannot understand why my knife keeps getting dirty. But it's in good shape. I'll give you one more look at it before we build the fire. All right, y'all, do me a favor. Before you leave my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and in that drop-down list, select all. And do give the video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one. Since our wind is coming from this direction, let's turn it. We'll catch you on the next one. All right, it is time to mow the grass again. And these honey mushrooms were beautiful, but they've got to go. Little male box turtle. It's got the indentation right here.